That's what Christianity does. They make you act like you just call on the name and be saved. Or that, like, all these rights they're trying to give you. They're trying to make thousands of sex orgies. What, they think they can make choices in life that the Most High has declared forever? But
since I appointed the ancient people, and the things that are coming and shall come, let them show unto them.
And like we've said, we're out here telling you that your destruction's coming upon you. America's finished. Your economy's crashing. Everybody here's weak and feminized.
And that's funny. They let people have to talk after they leave. That's how you know that's an effeminate spirit. Be a man and confront what you don't understand.
The women are more as a man than the men.
And that's how you know this is Babylon.
Because the GMOs, the teaching that they teach you. But
Isaiah 44, verse 8. Fear ye not, neither be afraid. Have not I told thee from the time, and have declared it?
Through the prophets, that's how he declares it. Go ahead.
Ye are even my witnesses. Is there a power beside me? Yea, there is no power. No.
So there ain't no Jesus. There ain't gonna be no government to save you. Because guess what? Your government's gonna come in and help kill you. Just like they did Wacko Waco. Go ahead.
I know not any.
Go ahead.
Isaiah 44, verse 9. They that make a graven image are all of them vanity.
Right, nothing. Even a gun's in a graven image, and that's some people's God. Their phone, where they can call 911 for help. But eventually, all your gods are going to be put to shame when martial law comes on this place, and you're going to fend for yourself, because there ain't going to be no mercy given to this place.
You're going to see how much power you really have.
Death and destruction is coming to this land.
That's right.
And their delectable things shall not profit, and they are their own witnesses.
You ain't going to be out here selling fucking hot dogs and soda pop when you got fucking hit squads running through here looking for everything that they can take. So you ain't gonna have no profit. You're barely gonna scrape by if you even make it. You ain't gonna be out here doubling up. You know what? Those crack dealers, those drug dealers, the motherfuckers can't fulfill the need of those drug addicts. They're gonna eat their own drug dealer.
Right, they're not gonna buy the drugs. They're gonna kill him and say, "I'm the kingpin."
And see, what people don't understand is the Most High is gonna turn it up. He's not just gonna have people turn against each other, but he's gonna pour gas on the fire. He's gonna put demons in here just to run through. Go ahead.
And they are their own witnesses. They see not, nor know that they may be ashamed.
That's right. All these people in America, you got 911, you don't think you could catch shame. But soon the police ain't gonna be around here, and there ain't gonna be nothing to protect you. Go ahead.
Isaiah 44, verse 10. Who hath formed a power or molten a graven image that is profitable for nothing?
Right, for nothing. You waste your time. Everybody's out here trying to get a great career for nothing. America's done. It's going to be destroyed soon. People are building houses. Me, I even had a child. We're having babies out here. For what? For destruction. The Most High is destroying everything out here, including even our own lifestyles. You think you're just gonna live in the same house, go to the store, oh, it'll be a little different? No, you're not gonna have nothing. Get a Genesis 40, you can drop the rest. Genesis 49, the one with the money failing. I think it's 49. Go ahead. Oh, here. Go ahead. Yeah, we'll close up. Yeah, go back to the
Yeah, I know where it is.
That's all right. You can go right into
It's 47. Yeah, I got it. This is Genesis chapter 47, verse 15. And when money failed in the land of Egypt.
Right, you're in the land of Egypt. You're a slave. And when your money faileth, which it already has, your stock market crashed, you just ain't realized it yet. Go ahead.
And in the land of Canaan, all the Egyptians came unto Joseph and said, give us bread. For why should we die in thy presence? For the money faileth.
Right, because the money faileth. You're going to have to go get that RFID chip. You're going to have to go to big Uncle Sam and say, hey, the money's no good. How am I going to eat?
I mean, I can't buy anything.
I can't eat my shoes. But guess what? You're going to eat your shoes. There ain't going to be nothing left for you.
Just like in the Great Depression.
Have you not seen Venezuela? Yeah, the Great Depression.
People ate their shoes.
America was at war and in the Great Depression at the same time.
It's coming again.
Right.
Verse 16, and Joseph said, give your cattle, and I will give you for your cattle if money fail.
And that's what they're going to tell you. You know what? You got a lot of assets.
Just give us.
You're a great investor. You got a lot of assets to depend on, to fall back on. And the government's going to say, give me all your assets if you want to eat. Your money's no good.
That's how it's going to start. And they brought their cattle unto Joseph, and Joseph gave them bread in exchange for horses, and for the flocks, and for the cattle of the herds, and for the asses, and he fed them with bread for all their cattle for that year.
So now, just like Joseph did, he's going to tell you, you want to eat, when your money fails, you're going to have to take this RFID chip.
But just like Joseph said before that, they're going to start with the assets.
Right.
Oh, you want to eat?
Well, that's why
this
they
year,
build
we
up
just
assets. That's the whole point of building up assets, is you think you're safe.
They
I got
wanna break
enough.
you down.
I don't have to worry about a drought. I don't have to worry about none of that. Like, that's the big dream of retirement, where you were supposed to have all this money saved up that you live your life on. But there ain't no more of that no more.
And there's a phrase, when your back's against the wall, what are you going to do? But what if there's no wall? What if their back's against the cliff?
That's what they're going to do. They're going to give up everything they have. They're going to hand their kids over.
There's going to be no wall to back up against.
No.
You're gonna lay down because there's nothing behind you.
Because everything that they built up ain't going to be worth nothing. Even that gold. Because if you're walking around with gold, you don't think people are going to be looking for what you got? You see it in your zombie movies.
He's got the gold.
You see it in all the movies that when shit hits the fan, there's people that hunt people out here.
Huh. So water, running water is something people don't realize is a precious resource that will not be around for martial law.
No, because actually everybody's on public assistance. You got a pipe running into your house, you're on public assistance. They shut that water off, you ain't gonna have nothing to drink.
You got a pre-dug well, public assistance. You didn't dig it yourself.
In fact, Caucasians are the biggest ones on food stamps. Look it up, it's a fact. Right? Who's reading you?
Genesis 47:18. When that year was ended, they came unto him the second year and said unto him, we will not hide it from my Lord, how that our money is spent.
Insidious, bro. And that's what it was. They gave you, okay, I'll take your cows, I'll take
And they
everything.
knew you were gonna run
They
out.
only give you enough for a year. They just give you enough, not to fulfill you for a lifetime,
Gone.
just enough.
And the funniest part is the cows and the asses were your lifetime. You would build your life off of farming, and you gave your life
Well, that's
away
why if you
for
keep
a
reading,
year.
watch what it's a slick move.
It's insidious.
It's too slick to be created by Esau. Jacob is the one that created this.
It says, there is not aught left in the sight of my Lord, but our bodies and our lands.
Watch what they say now, though.